Hi, this is Roberto, Solution Architect and Field Application Engineer in Dave Embedded Systems. Today I would like to present to you ETRA Evaluation Kit. ETRA is part of Dave Embedded System portfolio of System-on-Module solution based on STM32MP1 System-on-Chip application processor. The ETRA System-on-Module has its own evaluation kit, which allows testing out of the box. The main features. The evaluation kit contains the most important peripherals available on the system-on-chip. Ethernet, SD, USB, Wi-Fi and RGB interfaces are usable with standard or popular connectors. Moreover, many other peripherals like UART, I2C, SPI, CAN and PWM can be wired to the expansion connectors. See our evaluation kit documentation page for more information. Once you receive the kit, please check carefully the label stuck to the box and take note of the serial number. It will be used for registering the kit in our helpdesk support channel. Open the box and check the kit content with the packing list using the Getting Started wiki page. ETRA Standard Evaluation Kit contains a power supply with its international plug adapters, the FTDI to USB serial adapter, the already programmed with Dave BSP software micro SD card. At the end, you can find the ETRA evaluation board with the SOM already started and the RGB monitor with a USB capacitive touchscreen controller. Now it's time to connect the cables and start your first session. Insert the SD card into the micro SD slot. In the evaluation board, connect the FTDI adapter to the ETRA pin strip header. Please pay attention to the pin 1 position. Then connect the USB side to your personal computer. In your PC, open your favorite serial terminal application. Insert the power adapter cable and plug the 12-volt power supply. The green LED tells you the board is correctly powered. For graphical applications, a useful free and open source LVGL library can be used for GUI design. Thanks to the easy LVGL library, powerful graphics applications can be created and displayed on the screen. For example, the LVGL benchmark application can run in the SBC ETRA and the frame per second results will be shown at the end. ETRA latest embedded Linux kit has been released as DES MP1L101 BSP version. Thank you for joining the Dave Embedded System community. For more information, visit our websites dave.eu or wiki.dave.eu.